Hello, fashionistas! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the hottest fashion trends for the summer of 2023. Get ready to slay the season with these amazing outfit ideas. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Scene 1. Essential summer staples. First things first. Let's start with the essential summer staples that you'll need in your wardrobe this season. Light and breathable fabrics are a must. Opt for pieces like linen dresses, flowy tops, and cotton shorts. These materials will keep you comfortable in the scorching heat. Scene 2. Colors and prints. Summer is all about embracing vibrant colors and bold prints. This year, we're seeing a resurgence of retro-inspired patterns like tie-dye and floral prints. Don't be afraid to experiment with bright hues such as lemon yellow, coral pink, and sky blue. These colors will instantly elevate your summer look. Scene 3. Stylish swimwear. Whether you're hitting the beach or lounging by the pool, having trendy swimwear is a must. High-waisted bikinis and one-piece swimsuits with cutout details are in vogue this summer. You can also play with textures and opt for crochet or ribbed swimsuits to make a fashion statement. Scene 4. Effortless resort wear. If you're planning a vacation or simply want to channel those resort vibes, effortless resort wear is the way to go. Maxi dresses, wide leg pants, and lightweight jumpsuits are perfect for creating that relaxed yet stylish look. Don't forget to accessorize with floppy hats, oversized sunglasses, and straw bags to complete your ensemble. Scene 5. Sustainable fashion choices. In the spirit of sustainability, let's not forget about making responsible fashion choices. Embrace eco-friendly brands and opt for clothing made from organic materials. Vintage and thrifted pieces are also fantastic options to add a unique touch to your summer wardrobe while reducing your environmental impact. Scene 6. Dressing for evening events. Summer nights are for parties and special events, so let's talk about dressing up for those occasions. Flowy maxi dresses in silky fabrics, jumpsuits with sequin embellishments, or even a tailored pantsuit can make a statement. Pair them with strappy sandals or block heels, and you're ready to turn heads. That concludes our guide to summer fashion in 2023. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself and having fun. So, go out there, embrace these trends, and make this summer your most stylish one yet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, stay fashionable and enjoy the sunny days ahead.